Yes, this is my matchup against Supreme Luck. As you can see, it's Hall of Fame 5 minutes. Starting it up now. Starting game. I want to try to see what the teams that we picked. I just want to show you that he's actually in this game. Give it just a second to start up. As you can see, he got the Clippers. I'm on the Clippers too. Um, no, I'm not. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna get the Knicks. KYS Trail is on the Knicks. My opponent, Supreme Luck, is on the Clippers. Supreme Luck.